You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is 7 greater than 3. Let's solve it step by step. Group all n terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract 2n from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is 7 greater than 3.